In this video, I'll show you how you can get approved for Warrior Plus offers. Now, I'm at the point now, I've been promoting Warrior Plus offers for 2 years now, and I'm at the point where any offer that I go and apply for, generally, I'll just get accepted straight away. Now, if you're watching this video, you've probably been declined for a bunch of offers. You've probably only just made your account and you've applied for some offers and you've got declined. So I'm going to share with you some tips that I wish I knew when I was applying for some Warrior Plus offers. Because if you do what I'm about to show you, you'll get approved for some offers and you'll be able to start promoting them and start making money. So here we're on the top products, and let's say, for example, we want to promote ClickIts here. So we will go and copy ClickIts. We will go to the affiliate tab here. We will go to offers, and here we can just go and search for ClickIts and request approval. So if we just paste it in ClickIts here, we click enter, and we wanted to request approval for ClickIts here. So we will click on request, and it's then going to take us to the Warrior Plus request form here. After we've clicked this one, we can then enter in the request notes our request to go and promote this product. Now, when you're a new account on Warrior Plus, when you have no sales on your account, the request notes is going to be very important here. So let me just briefly cover what actually happens when you go and send a request offer. When you go and send a request offer, the actual vendor that's selling the product, so in this case, the vendor of ClickIts, can see your request offer. They can also see a score of how many sales you've made, your conversion rate and your refund rate, and they use your score combined with your notes that you leave when you request approval to actually decide if you're going to get accepted. So what you need to do if you haven't got any sales on your account, you need to write a strong request note. Now, if you wanted to promote ClickIts here, you probably already have an idea of how you want to promote it. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel, a Facebook group, you've got an email list. You need to be linking this in the notes, and you need to be answering in detail how you're going to promote this offer. There's no good saying, I'm going to promote it on social media or I'm going to promote it on YouTube. You need to give them the exact method and the exact way that you're going to promote. So give them links, give them screenshots, and just give them details. Like if you've got an email list, where did you get your emails from? If you've grown a YouTube channel, how have you grown it? And what kind of traffic does it bring? Basically, if you look at this from a vendor's point of view, they don't want people sending bad bot traffic to their offer. So go ahead and link and show to them how you're going to promote the offer. Another tip that I can give you is to don't go and promote here these top converting offers. Now these offers here, if we just go back, they have a lot of affiliates trying to promote these. They have a lot of affiliates promoting them and making money and requesting to promote them. Go and promote an affiliate offer which hasn't really had that many sales and it doesn't get that many people requesting to be an affiliate. That way they're going to be more inclined to go and accept you. They don't really care about the product because it's not making them that much money, and you can go and get a couple of sales under your belt with that specific product. Then once you've got some sales, it's going to be much easier in the long run to get approved for any offer, because you'll have a score on Warrior Plus. A vendor will be able to see that you're sending sales, you're legit, and they'll be more inclined to accept you to their product.